Hi, everybody. It's Jennifer. I was gifted this artificial grass. It is so incredibly soft. I can't even tell you. Love the feel of it. Love the look of it. It's also very water permeable and super dense. It looks great. Let's open it up and put it down and see how it looks. This material is super durable and it's eco-friendly. It's made of PE and PP material, so it's fireproof, UV resistant, and it can withstand all the rain. It has this water permeable material, look, that goes straight through. Such a nice feature. And this is going to stay vibrant for years to come. The drainage is so efficient, it's super easy to clean, and you can just wash it off with the hose. And there are so many applications for this. You can use it just as a carpet, so you can walk on it with your bare feet outside. We used to have this for Peppa when she was a puppy for training. You can use this next to swimming pools and even as a putting green. It's 1.2 inches tall, soft, lush, and it just looks great. This realistic fake grass is drainable, beautiful, perfect for indoors or out, 15 by 3 feet. You just can't beat it. We are loving it, and we think that you will too. Highly recommend.